Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ren Fauzan. In this video, I will explain about pricing strategy for professional service. Let's go. Okay, in page one, we have factors to consider when pricing service. Number one is cost structure. Understand the direct and indirect costs associate with delivering your service. Number three is previous value. Determine that value your service provide to client and how they perceive that value. Number three is competitive landscape. Research the pricing strategy of your competitors to stay aligned with the market. And number four is market condition. Monitor economic trend and client demand to adjust pricing accordingly. Next, we have cost-based pricing approach. Number one is determine cost. Identify all direct and indirect costs associated with delivering the service. Number two is add profit margin. Determine a suitable profit margin to ensure the engagement is financially available. Number three is set pricing. Combine the total cost and profit margin to establish the final service price. Next, we have value-based pricing approach. Number one, client value. Assess the value your service provides to the client, considering factors like time saving, risk reduction, and revenue generation. Number two is pricing strategy. Set the price based on the client provide value rather than your internal cost to maximize profitability. And the last one, we have flexibility. Value-based pricing allows for greater flexibility in adjusting prices to match changing market condition and client needs. Next, we have competitor analysis and pricing benchmarking. Number one is research competitor. Gather information on the pricing strategy and service offering of your competitor in the market. Number two is adjust accordingly. Use the competitive analysis to inform your own pricing decision and stay aligned with the market. Number three is analyze differences. Analyze difference. Identify how your pricing and service compare to the competitor, noting any significant gaps or advantage. Number four is monitor change. Continuously track competitor pricing and adapt your own strategy to maintain a competitive edge. And next, we have tiered pricing models and building. Number one, premium offers the most comprehensive set of service at the high price point. Number two is standard, provides a core set of service at a mid-range price point. Number three is basic, include the most essential service at a lower price point. And the last one, we have bundling. Packaging relate service together to provide a discount price. Next, we have adjusting price based on market condition. Number one, monitor trend. Continuously track change in the market such as supply, demand, and economic factor. Number two is analyze impact. Determine how this market condition will affect the perceived value and cost of your service. Number three is adjust pricing. Implement strategic price change to maintain competitive and profitability. Okay, in the last page, we have communicating pricing to client efficiently. Number one is transparency, clearly explaining the pricing structure and the value it provides to the client. Next is justification, over a detailed breakdown of how to price was determined, including any discount or bundling. Number three is flexibility, be open to negotiation and adjust Be open to a negotiation and adjusting the pricing to better meet the client needs. Number three is ongoing communication. Maintain regular discussion about pricing and any change that may occur during the engagement. Okay, that's all from me. My name is Muhammad Rian Fauzan. Adios.